Whoa, Mom likes thunderstorm. See, thunderstorm. Whoa, that's foggy. Thunder. Oh my gosh. Rain and thunder. Whoa. Got past 2 thunderstorms. Sleeman. Let's go to Sleeman. What happened to rain? Let's turn off dark mode so don't see the heavy rains at dark mode. See the heavy rain in white mode.
Where we gotta make a big pearl. Then we have to look for the big square rock. And we gotta make another big pearl when we get there. And then we go straight to the coal maze where we gonna find Mickey's lucky coin. All engines stop!
Whoa! I see thunders. 6-hour storm out. Look. Six-hour storm out. Look. You go past 1 storm.
That's right, what he said. We gotta find Mickey's lucky coin. But maybe we got some kind of mouse tool that will help. Everybody
Almost got heavy rain. Go to Sleeman. Go to Letter Channel. Running very poor and it's wet. And Mom looks at the storms. We can run to. We can run to many. OMG! Sleeman's that heavy. Double OMG. Double OMG. And tonight feel like temperature 57 minus this power monster. I see the wind. Ooh. Except wind's up. I got 4 winds. You said 4 winds. Samsung experience. You got winds. So, heal the.
First, we need to go around the big square block and then straight ahead.
Good.
Coral Maze.
Uh-oh.
Captain Mickey, steering the submarine sure looks like fun. Can I try it? Sure, dude.
Go to sun.
Like I said, both of you take a turn.
Got it. Arguing again. Oh my god. 87. A 6-hour storm outlook. So we. Whoa. It's gonna be cold and snowy for 6 hour snowy. To catch snowflake on your tongue. Storm's coming. Carbara. Thunderstorm got past it. Can get past it. Oh, that's too much locations. Kuwait City. Is it a heavy rain? Whoa, see when? Yeah. At Mini. It's gonna be Logan. Hopefully there's no thunderstorms and rain. Yay, Mini. C. Kota. Hopefully just thunderstorms. And I see wind again. 22. Whoa, download.
I'm sure I got some puka shells in my hat. Come on, count them with me.
We only got 2 minutes left. Until 10 minutes. We'll see you next time.
We have enough puka shells for Tiger Pete. Right here, Pete. Appreciate the pretty pukas, pal. Now, to get where you're going, we're going to need help from my crusty friend, Sea Brisket.
Mini.
Oh, yeah. Hold on while I give her a move. Oh, Sea Brisket!
Let's go to radar.
Always comes when I call her. Oh, Sea Brisket!
Oh, 12 a.m.
What the mouse can do? Everybody say, oh, toodles! Oh, toodles!
BOC.
We've got a seashell and a mystery mouse tool.
Maybe we can blow the seashell like a horn to make a really loud sound.
Whoa. Boca. Yes! Yay! Scored! Today, UV index. It's gonna be so hot. Make lemonade stand. And I see thunderstorm. Okay, see you next time. Did a great job. So let's do all my stickers. Turn on the schedule. See you next time.